Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MMG app. First, download the MMG app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. Remember to grant any requested permissions, like access to your camera or location, to ensure all features work correctly. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to explore the app's capabilities. Now, let's explore the MMG app's interface. The main dashboard provides an overview of your activities and important information. You'll find the navigation menu, usually at the bottom or side, which gives you access to all the app's features, such as settings, reports, and profile management. Take a moment to customize your home screen by adding widgets or shortcuts for the functions you use most often, making your experience more efficient. Next, we'll dive into the core functionality of the MMG app. To add new information, simply tap the plus icon or the Add New button and fill out the required fields. The app makes it easy to search for specific records using keywords or filters. If you need to make changes, select an existing entry to edit its details or delete it entirely. This process is designed to be straightforward, ensuring accurate data management. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips and support options. You can personalize your experience by exploring the advanced settings, where you might find options for notifications, data synchronization, or theme customization. If you encounter any questions, the In-App Help section offers a wealth of information and frequently asked questions. For more specific issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support directly through the app for prompt assistance.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.